Welcome back to the video, guys. In today's video we will learn about how to install Linux, that is Kali Linux, a distro of Linux. Alright, in today's video I will show you the proper steps. Let me tell you specification of my laptop. My laptop is M2. Basically it will work for all the MacBook, that is iOS. So just follow the steps. First of all, go to Google and type UTM. So UTM is a virtual machine which we will be using in order to run the Kali Linux. Directly you cannot run. Alright, so download it. It will take some time. Let it download. After that you go to Kali Linux official website. Then click on download get Kali, and then you can scroll down and then you download, click on Apple Silicon ARM64 and then you type on download here. So it is 3.5 GB. First make sure you have enough space in order to download this. So wait for some time. Once it is downloaded, install the UTM in your MacBook. I have already installed, so it is showing me this icon. So you need to install the UTM. Once you have installed, the interface will be something like this. You need to virtualize Linux, browse, you need to select Kali Linux, open, and then continue. First select the 4 GB, then CPU core up to 4, and then take this enable hardware OpenGL in order to make it little faster. Continue 32 GB 30, and then browse. You can go to download and name the machine Kali Linux. Here I have named. Save it. So now once you click on play button, it will open something like this. So it will be showing you blank screen. Okay, it will not be coming it properly. So what you need to do is you cut it, you click on edit, press on plus symbol, serial, save it, and then you can run it again. And some more changes you can do. You can go to settings, display, select RAM FB, Virtual RAM FB, and save it. Then click on play button. Now you will see the actual process started. Install, and you can select the language. You can select your country. You can select your language again, and then let it happen. Next, name the host name, domain name. I'm naming it as all as Kali. Full name, username, and then you can choose your password. Re-enter your password. So choose the first one, guided use entire disk, then this virtual disk, all files in one partition, and then finish, and then here yes. Then continue. We are almost done. So make sure you cut it and run it again. So clear from the browse and then run it again. This time it will start. Open your Kali. Click the password, and then here it is downloaded. You can go to terminal. You can type anything, echo hello world, and it will be printed. And then you can go to internet is connected automatically. Here you can see I'm browsing something and it is connected. So like this, you can see it is coming again. Okay, so now if you want to change your website, go to setting, click on setting, and then here you can first you have to download the official wallpaper. How do you download Kali wallpaper? You just type it, open it, official download wallpapers are there, legacy wallpapers are there, whatever you want you can just click on it, copy it, and then run it. First you need to download it. Once it gets downloaded, after that, okay, done. Now you can select it, go to setting, desktop, and then all the wallpaper will come. You can select whatever choice you want. I'm selecting this, and that's it. That is how you download Kali Linux. If you have liked this video, make sure you do subscribe and follow me for all these tips and tricks regarding to Linux. Thank you.